everyone. Today's Carnivores franchise we're going to be doing is Carnivores Ice Age Mobile. So let's get started with the history behind it. Now that being, let's get started. Animals that appeared in Carnivores Ice Age, old and new. Pig, Archaeopteryx, the only two ambient animals in the game. Wish they could have added more ambient animals. Brontotherium, or Brontoteri, that was said in the game. Wild boar, direwolf, woolly rhinoceros, diatryma, megaloceros, Intricotherium or Paraceratherium, Doedicurus, Smilodon, Mammoth, Titanus, Hyenodon, Andrewsarchus, bear, and the Yeti. And there is an unreleased animal that never appeared in the game. And that is Megatherium. And that's it. So, I'm going to be doing the Carnivores mod review. Anyways, like and subscribe, hit the bell so you don't follow me for new content. See you later.